Crash course on Suriname. Geolocation. Suriname is a country located on the northeastern coast of South America, bordered by Guyana to the west, French Guiana to the east, Brazil to the south, and the Atlantic Ocean to the north. Capital. The capital city of Suriname is Paramaribo. Population. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the population of Suriname was approximately 600,000 people. Economy. Suriname's economy is diverse, with key sectors including mining, agriculture, forestry, and energy. The country is rich in natural resources such as bauxite, gold, oil, and timber. Tourism is also a growing industry, with visitors attracted to Suriname's rich biodiversity and vibrant culture. Education. Education in Suriname is compulsory for children between the ages of 6 and 12. The country has made efforts to improve access to education and achieve high literacy rates. Suriname's educational system follows the Dutch model, as Suriname was a former Dutch colony. Brief history. Suriname has a complex history shaped by indigenous peoples, European colonization, particularly by the Dutch, and a legacy of slavery and indentured labor. Suriname gained independence from the Netherlands in 1975 and has since developed as a sovereign nation. Culture. Surinamese culture is a melting pot of diverse ethnic groups, including indigenous peoples, Creoles, Maroons, Hindustanis, Javanese, and Chinese communities. This multicultural heritage is reflected in the country's languages, religions, music, cuisine, and traditions. Politics. Suriname is a democratic republic with a multi-party system. The country has experienced political transitions and periods of political instability. In recent years, Suriname has made efforts to strengthen democratic institutions and promote social and economic development. Interesting stories, examples. One fascinating aspect of Suriname is its interior rainforest and the presence of Maroon communities. The Maroons are descendants of African slaves who escaped from plantations during the colonial era and formed independent communities in the interior, maintaining their unique cultural traditions and lifestyle. Top 12 attractions of Suriname. 1. Paramaribo. Explore the charming capital city, Paramaribo, with its UNESCO-listed historic center, colonial architecture, and vibrant street markets. 2. Brownsburg Nature Park. Venture into the lush rainforest of Brownsburg Nature Park, where hiking trails lead to stunning waterfalls and breathtaking viewpoints. 3. Galibi Nature Reserve. Visit the Galibi Nature Reserve, known for its sea turtle nesting grounds and opportunities to observe these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. 4. Kamavena River. Cruise along the scenic Kamavena River, passing historical plantations, picturesque villages, and spotting wildlife along the way. 5. Central Suriname Nature Reserve. Immerse yourself in the pristine wilderness of the Central Suriname Nature Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with diverse ecosystems and unique flora and fauna. 6. Raleigh-Vallon Nature Reserve. Discover the untouched beauty of Raleigh-Vallon Nature Reserve, home to impressive waterfalls, rare animal species, and the breathtaking Voltsberg Mountain. 7. Jodensavan. Explore the historic Jodensavan, once a thriving Jewish community in Suriname, with remnants of synagogues and gravestones that speak to the country's rich heritage. 8. Baigai Pan. Witness the stunning bird life and wetland ecosystems of Baigai Pan, a nature reserve renowned for its vast lagoons and picturesque sunsets. 9. Galibi. Experience the indigenous culture and traditions of the indigenous communities in Galibi, where you can learn about their art, music, and way of life. 10. Tafelberg. Embark on a challenging trek up Tafelberg, a distinctive table mountain, offering panoramic views of the surrounding rainforest and savanna. 11. Brokopondo Reservoir. Discover the expansive Brokopondo Reservoir, created by the construction of a hydroelectric dam, offering opportunities for water sports, fishing, and scenic boat tours. 12. Suriname River. Cruise along the majestic Suriname River, exploring its lush banks, spotting wildlife, and visiting traditional villages. Summary. Suriname, located on the northeastern coast of South America, is a country known for its diverse culture, rich biodiversity, and natural beauty. Its economy relies on sectors such as mining, agriculture, forestry, and energy. Education is compulsory, following the Dutch model. Suriname's history is shaped by indigenous cultures, Dutch colonization, and the legacy of slavery and indentured labor. The country's multicultural heritage is evident in its languages, religions, music, and cuisine. Suriname is a democratic republic with a multi-party system, striving to strengthen democratic institutions and promote social and economic development. Top attractions include Paramaribo, Brownsburg Nature Park, Galibi Nature Reserve, and Jodensavan. From colonial architecture to pristine rainforests, Suriname offers a unique blend of cultural and natural experiences. In the heart of Suriname, a land untamed, where cultures converge, a tapestry untamed. From Paramaribo's streets, a colonial delight, to rainforests teeming with nature's might. Paramaribo, with its historic grace, a UNESCO treasure, a vibrant embrace. Brownsburg's trails, through lush green. Waterfalls cascading, a mystical scene. Galibi, where sea turtles nest. Their ancient ritual, a sacred quest. Kamavena River, a tranquil ride. Past plantations and villages, history's stride. Central Suriname, a wilderness divine. Flora and fauna in abundance, a natural shrine. Raleigh-Vallen's beauty, serene and rare. Voltsburg's majesty, soaring in the air. Jodensavan, a testament to the past. Jewish heritage, a legacy that will last. Guyana's wetlands, where birds take flight. A symphony of colors, a breathtaking sight. Galibi, where indigenous cultures bloom. Their art and traditions, a vibrant room. Tafelberg, a challenge for the bold. Rewarding vistas, a story to be told. Suriname River, flowing through the land. Witnessing its beauty, a journey so grand. Suriname, a nation diverse and free. A treasure trove of wonders for all to see. In Suriname's embrace, let your spirit soar. Explore its beauty, forever wanting more. A land of enchantment, where nature thrives. Suriname, a gem in South America's archives. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.